Hello, today we will guide you through how to create Zoom meeting ID and password. To begin, open Zoom in your web browser and go to the Zoom homepage. This is where you can access your account settings, meetings, and other scheduling tools. Make sure you are already signed in so you can move through the setup without interruption. Once you're on the home screen, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Meetings. This section is where Zoom keeps your upcoming, scheduled, and personal meeting details. If you plan to create a new session, this is the correct place to start because it gives you access to the meeting setup options. After that, move to the top right corner of the page and click Schedule a Meeting. This opens the meeting creation screen where Zoom lets you define the details for a new meeting, including the security settings and meeting identification options. Take a moment here to make sure you're on the scheduling page before continuing. Next, scroll down until you find the security section. This area is important because it controls how participants access your meeting. If you want to create a password for the meeting, this is where you'll do it. Password protection adds an extra layer of security and helps ensure that only people with the correct details can join. In the password field, enter the password you want to use for the meeting. Choose something that is easy for your participants to type correctly, but still secure enough for your needs. If you are sharing the meeting with others, it can be helpful to double-check the password before moving on so there are no access issues later. Then, find the Meeting ID option and click on it. This is the setting that allows you to manage or confirm the identifier associated with the meeting. The Meeting ID is what attendees use, along with the password, to join your Zoom session. This makes it one of the key details you'll want to review carefully before finishing your setup. At this point, you have reached the main parts of creating a Zoom meeting ID and password. As a final tip, always review your meeting information before sharing it with participants, especially the meeting ID and password, so everything works smoothly when it's time to join. That's it for this guide on how to create a Zoom meeting ID and password.